A powerful machine cuts meat into tiny pieces in just seconds. Watch as this machine rips through a solid piece of aluminum like it's nothing. This machine, equipped with a rotating mesh, sifts through the soil and efficiently collects earthworms from the ground. In modern food production, this dual-arm machine automates the process of slicing potato shells with speed, precision, and consistent efficiency. This impressive machine restores old, damaged rims to their original shape with precision and force. Hydraulic and vacuum pressing technology helps industries create compact, secure packaging, making transportation easier and reducing shipping damage. Grass silage packaging involves compressing chopped forage and sealing it with stretch firm to trigger anaerobic fermentation, preserving its nutritional quality for long-term storage.